In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A70 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A70. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the dialer app right here. And you're going to type in *#06 and #. That's going to show you the IMEI. Make sure you write down this first number here. We'll need it later on in the video. Then we're going to go to Google Chrome, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is Samsung, and the model, which is the Galaxy A70. So go down to Galaxy and then A70. Tap Unlock Now. You're going to swipe down, answer a few more prompts, so the country you purchased it in, and then the carrier. Hit next again. Now on the last page, it will ask you to fill out a little bit more information. So that IMEI we got on the first page, make sure you type that in, your full name and the email address you want your unlocking code delivered to, and your phone number. And then here you'll find how much it costs to unlock the phone. So only $30 here, and the turnaround time is about 24 hours. Now, important thing to note, there is also a Can We Talk, basically a web chat option. So if you have any questions about the process or you're having an issue, you can always tap there to speak to live support. And at the top of the page, you'll also find a phone number you can call to get support, or a number you can text as well. So you have a few options, and this is one of the reasons why I love this company, because they will stand by you, and if for whatever reason they can't get your phone unlocked, they will give you a full refund. So that's awesome. What you're gonna do here is just tap on Order Now, and you're gonna wait for an email from them that's gonna give you your unlocking pin, and it will have the final instructions on how to unlock the phone. The process does change from time to time, so you'll want to reference that email for the specific steps you need to take to finish unlocking your phone. One thing you will need to do is you will need to pop out your SIM card. So I'm using a SIM tool here, and I'm going to just find the SIM tray, which should be at the, let's see, there we go, very top of the phone right here. You're gonna just put this in the little hole to pop the tray out. Take out your old SIM card, put in the new SIM card, and then once you put that SIM card in, it will automatically restart the phone in most cases. So let's put that in. All right, so from here, we're getting a message saying that the network is locked. So at this point, you're gonna go to your email from the unlocking company and follow the instructions to complete the unlock for your phone. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.